tech explorers. Are you ready to have your mind blown? Welcome to AI Know. I'm Marcus, and this is my robot buddy Z. Today, we're counting down the top 5 fun facts about artificial intelligence, or AI. But first, do you know what AI is? AI helps machines think and solve problems like humans, or sometimes even better. It's a superpower for computers, and you've probably seen it all around you without realizing it. Are you excited to learn more? Let's dive right in.
Fun fact number 5. AI can learn from experience.
Let's kick it off with fun fact number 5. AI learns from experience. AI learns in a way that's similar to how us humans learn. Imagine this. You're playing a new video game or learning how to play soccer. At first, you might make mistakes, but the more you play, the better you get. That's what AI does too. Instead of playing a game, AI looks at lots of data, makes predictions, and learns from any errors. This process helps AI improve over time, just like you do when you practice something new. Have you ever noticed how your favorite video app knows just what videos to suggest? That's AI, learning from what you watch. AI uses large data sets to identify patterns and improve its performance over time. Much like how humans learn from experience, AI gets better as it processes more information. This process is called machine learning. It allows AI to become more accurate and efficient as it learns from data and experience. One cool example of AI learning is self-driving cars. It's like giving a car a really smart brain. These cars can see the road, learn from past trips, and make decisions, like when to turn or stop. They can actually see the road with special cameras and sensors. They learn from every trip, just like you learn new things at school. Imagine this. You hop into a car, but there's no driver. The car knows when to turn, stop, and go all by itself. And the coolest part? It gets smarter every time it drives. So one day, you could be sitting in a car that's driving itself while you read your favorite comic book or play your favorite game. How awesome is that? Because AI learns from these experiences through training data, it helps to make the future super fun and a little bit like magic.
Fun fact number 4. AI helps things run smoothly.
Fun fact number 4. AI helps things run smoothly. AI can optimize traffic flow, manage energy consumption, and even predict maintenance needs in various industries. It's like having a super efficient assistant working in the background to make sure things work seamlessly. AI is like a behind-the-scenes manager who always checks that things are in order. From making sure the traffic lights change at just the right time, to helping your favorite stores stock the right items, AI helps keep everything running without you even noticing. It can even help save energy by adjusting air conditioning or heating in buildings based on the weather or how many people are inside. Quite awesome, right? Here's another cool example on how AI helps things run smoothly. Robots are teaming up with doctors to make us feel better faster. That's mind-blowing. Here's another amazing fact. AI is helping doctors find out if someone is sick by looking at medical images like X-rays faster than ever. Imagine a superhero doctor with AI goggles that can see what's wrong in a flash. It's like having a superpower. AI helps them make better decisions so patients can get help quicker. But wait, there's more. AI can even predict if someone might get sick before they feel bad. It's like having a crystal ball, but way smarter. And AI never gets tired, so it can work all day and night. So next time you see a doctor, remember, they might just have a little robot helper making sure we all stay healthy and strong. That would be epic.
Fun fact number 3. AI can be fun.
Fun fact number 3. AI can make our lives more fun and exciting. From gaming and entertainment to immersive experiences, AI brings endless possibilities for enjoyment.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's like having a friend who always has a new game to play. For example, AI is used to create virtual reality experiences and interactive games. AI makes learning and play more fun for everyone. It enhances everyday life with exciting experiences.
Fun fact number 2. AI is growing.
Fun fact number 2. AI is growing. Did you know AI is like a superhero that keeps getting stronger? AI is growing super fast, just like a magic beanstalk. Imagine you planted a magic bean and it grew taller and taller every day. That's what AI is doing right now. It's like a super smart robot brain that can learn new things all by itself. Think of it as a friend who gets better at video games the more they play. Right now, AI can help find lost pets, help farmers plant their crops, and even help do things around the house. And guess what? In the future, AI might do even more amazing stuff like develop smart toys and robots or make new games for us to play. So next time you see a plant growing, remember that AI is growing too. It's learning and getting stronger every single day.
Fun fact number 1. AI helps us explore space.
If your imagination is as big as the universe, then this fact is for you. Get ready to be amazed because we're diving into some stellar knowledge. Fun fact number 1, AI helps us explore space. AI has become the ultimate sidekick for astronauts and scientists exploring the great unknown. These super smart systems are used in space missions to navigate spacecraft, analyze tons of data, and even control robots on planets like Mars. Imagine a robot rover roaming the red planet, snapping photos and sending them back to Earth, all thanks to AI. And get this, AI helps scientists make sense of all that data, discovering new things about our universe every day. But wait, there's more. In the future, AI might even help humans live on other planets. Picture yourself chilling on Mars with your AI buddy by your side. How cool is that? So next time you look up at the stars, remember, AI is out there making space exploration more awesome than ever.
Bonus fact. We need to be smart with AI.
I bet you didn't know this super cool AI tip. Even though AI is super helpful, we have to make sure it's safe, fair, and used responsibly. What does that mean? It means protecting our and other people's privacy, like keeping your own secrets safe. We also need to make sure AI is secure so it can't be misused. And guess what? We should use AI in a way that helps everyone equally. That means no one gets left out. We need to be smart about how we use AI, just like we're smart when using all other types of technologies. So remember, AI is awesome, but being safe, fair, and responsible makes it even better. You've got this, tech heroes. Wow, tech explorers, we've learned so much today. From the mysteries of AI to the secrets of digital privacy, you guys rocked it. But guess what? This journey isn't over yet. Stay tuned for more fun and informative videos where we'll dive even deeper into AI, privacy, and digital ethics. And remember, the tech world is like a giant playground just waiting for you. So let's keep learning, keep exploring, and keep having fun. Till next time, adventurers, keep those curiosity engines running.
If you enjoyed today's learning session, don't forget to click like and share this video with your friends so they can join in on the fun too. And to keep learning and exploring with us, make sure to subscribe to the AI Know educational channel. See you in the next adventure!